Welcome back. In this lab, what you're going to do is create a resource group that serves as the primary management container for all the resources that will be deployed throughout this course. A resource group in Azure provides a structured way to organize, monitor, and control related resources as a single unit. This setup allows for centralized administration, making it easier to manage access, enforce security policies, track costs, and apply configurations consistently across all resources. By deploying a resource group at the start of this course, what we're doing here is establishing a foundation for the infrastructure that will be built in all of these subsequent labs. Now, a resource group is an essential component in Azure that acts as a logical container for all resources associated with a specific solution or workload. Rather than managing individual resources separately, grouping them under a single resource group allows for simplified administration, role-based access control, and even streamlined cost management. Resource groups also provide lifecycle management capabilities. In other words, when a workload is no longer needed, deleting the resource group will automatically remove all the associated resources, ensuring efficient resource cleanup. Additionally, policies and security configurations can be applied at the resource group level, ensuring consistent enforcement across all contained resources. Now, although a resource group must be deployed in a specific region, this does not affect where the individual resources within the resource group are deployed. Instead, the region selection determines where metadata about the resource group is stored. The resources inside can be deployed across multiple locations as needed. To complete this lab, create a resource group named RG-Lab. This will serve as the management boundary for all resources deployed throughout the course. Select the Surf City Boat subscription for deployment and configure the resource group to be located in the East US region. Deploying the resource group is a first step in building a well-structured Azure environment for this course. By creating RG-Lab, all subsequent resources, including virtual networks, virtual machines, storage accounts, and load balancers, will be deployed within a single organized location. This approach simplifies management, monitoring, and security enforcement, ensuring that all resources remain grouped under a common administrative framework.
So now that you understand what needs to be done and why, it's time to complete the hands-on portion of this lab. Hopefully you've taken notes on what you need to do. If you'd like to watch a quick demonstration of all the steps in this particular lab, continue watching this video. However, if you'd prefer to dive right into the hands-on exercise, pause this video and click the lab link down in the description below.
If you get stuck, you can always click the Show Me button within the lab itself, or you can even return here to watch me complete the steps.